Hi guys, welcome back to Recipes Recreated. Guess what we're doing today? I mean, you probably saw it in the title, right? We're gonna do something fun. We're gonna do we're gonna try to, sorry, my cat's down there. We're going to make some fortune cookies. How fun is that, right? Like the best part is writing little fortunes inside. So we're gonna do that, and we're gonna make some of them like gourmet-ish, you know, dip them in some chocolate, do different designs. These are so cool. Like they're so good for, like, you know, you could do like baby shower colors if you dipped them in like pink chocolate or blue chocolate. You do them as like party gifts for weddings, you know, dip them all in white and have like nice decor on them. Or just like fun little dinner parties, and then, you know, different little messages inside. You can create games. Anyway, I'm way too excited about it. So let's get all this stuff together to make them. Once they come out of the oven, you have to work really fast to shape them, and then well, I'll show you. But let's get started. I'm super excited, you guys. So yay! So we want to have everything ready before we begin. So you definitely want to have your fortunes ready to go. We're going to use some water, butter, some egg whites, some vanilla. You can also use almond. I was debating, but I'll stick with vanilla today. Some sugar, flour. You want to have a mug ready to go. You want to have your muffin pan, a sheet pan with parchment paper. Oh, the oven's ready. And a spatula. All right, let's get started. So we have 3 egg whites in here, and we're going to put in 4 tablespoons of sugar, and then we're just gonna whip it up for about a minute, and then we'll add the melted butter, 4 tablespoons of melted butter, some water and vanilla. Hold on. Okay, so we just whipped it up until it was nice and foamy. So now we're gonna add in 4 tablespoons of melted butter and 2 tablespoons of water, and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, or almond, whatever one you want to use. Okay, so we're just going to whip this up really quick, and then we'll add in the flour. Okay, so we just did that till it was nice and combined. So now we're going to add in the flour, and we're just going to slowly mix it until it's combined, just until it's combined, because you don't want to overdo it. So let's just pour that in. Just like so. That's good. Okay, so we have our sheet with our parchment paper, and we're just going to take a tablespoon and pour it on here, and take the back of it and swirl it around so it makes like a circle, like a 3-inch circle, a thin circle.